The apartment is located in 18th district in Paris. It's located near Montmartre, which is a beau area in Paris. Sacré-Cœur is about 5 minutes away, and you can actually see it from the apartment. My name is Bertille Bordja. I'm an architect and founder of Okoume Studio. I was influenced by the style of the 70s. I love the works of Danish architect Alvar Aalto and American mid-century architects. Their use of colors and natural materials such as wood, beige and white creates such a light and warm space.
Choosing the perfect screen for your interior can be tricky. That's why we adore the LG Stand By Me touchscreen, with its sleek, minimalist design, effortlessly fitting into any space. The rotating 27-inch screen enhances your video calls, providing a much richer experience, and it can be easily connected to your phone using AirPlay or NFC. You can also adjust the screen to whatever angle makes you feel comfortable for viewing. And it's super easy to check the weather before heading out the door. The LG Stand By Me comes with built-in streaming services and apps, allowing you to watch your favorite content, browse the internet, listen to music in bed, or work from home, anywhere in your small home. And when we say anywhere, we mean literally anywhere, because the LG Stand By Me has a built-in battery. The flexibility and versatility of the LG Stand By Me is perfect for small spaces, making life better without a doubt. For more information about Stand By Me, click on the link in the description.
The building was built in the 60s. It is in the center of the district and is close to shops, cafes, bakeries and supermarkets. The apartment was last renovated sometimes in the 90s, but the layout had not changed since the apartment was built in the 60s. The clients are a young and dynamic couple. They were looking to close off the terrace to create a bedroom and increase the area of the apartment. We removed all of the internal walls in the apartment. We were able to obtain permits to convert one of the terraces into a bedroom. The new kitchen was moved to the space of the old bathroom. The old kitchen was opened up to the living room, and the bathroom moved to part of the original living room. The other terrace was kept as an outdoor space. At the entrance of the apartment, there is a small closet. The upper half of the closet is white and hides the electric box. The bottom half is made from curved Okoume, a wood from Africa. This wooden part extends to create a counter for keys when entering the apartment. The floor in the apartment is made from painted micro-cement. The kitchen was moved to the center of the apartment. We kept the window that originally looked out to the old terrace to allow light to filter through. The placement of the window helps to bring in light from the north. As the window sits between the wall, we were able to create some shelves to place kitchen items and decorations. This also helps with privacy when there are objects placed on the shelves. The countertop and backsplash is made from polished concrete. We wanted the look of a single continuous material here. The floor-to-ceiling pantry has lots of space for food and other household items. There was an awkward spot in the corner of the kitchen, so we added shelves for commonly used items. It also hides the corner and electronics from view. The kitchen is made from the same Okoume wood as the rest of the apartment. The ceiling in the kitchen is dropped slightly because of the electrical wiring. So we created a fun curve for a smoother transition from the entrance. It also curves around the structural beam. On the other side of the kitchen is the dining area. Bright and airy with a window that looks out onto the terrace. A circular dining table was chosen to allow for better flow of movement and softens up the straight lines of the room. We designed a custom L-shaped bench sofa that's wrapped around the corner of the living room. The bench has a slight curve toward the floor. It makes the sofa more ergonomic and less heavy. There is a storage underneath. The sofa is quite spacious and a bit of luxury in a small apartment. It can be used as an extra bed. Above the sofa bench, we added floating shelves on both sides of the old fireplace. The living room is filled with natural light from the large glass doors that lead to the terrace. In the summer months, the door can be left open to integrate the terrace with the rest of the apartment. The terrace is quite spacious for an apartment of this size. Artificial grass was used for the floor, and a bamboo wall was used around the sides to give the space a more organic feel and provide a bit of privacy. We separated the toilet from the bathroom in order to keep the bathroom and bedroom private. The wallpaper was chosen by the client, and we took the dark navy from the shades in the wallpaper to use it on the walls. The new ensuite bathroom was designed to share the same space as the bedroom. Hidden behind some curtains, by the entrance of the bathroom, there is the laundry space. The client wanted a full-size bathtub. Using the space behind the toilets, we custom-made a bathtub and shower. Small light blue tiles were chosen for the floor, countertop, and shelves. The vanity is from the same Okoume wood as the rest of the apartment. We like the interesting grain of the wood, so we made cuts from a large piece to match the grain and create a seamless look. With the bathroom and bedroom almost sharing the same space, the two rooms feel like a cozy cabin on a sleeper train. At the other end is the bed. We custom-built a bed head with a small ledge to place items on at night. There is also storage under the bed. I think it's very important to deal with urban sprawl by encouraging residents not to buy in newly built homes, but to purchase existing ones. It allows us to keep the heritage designs of the apartment and the buildings.
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.